In addition to over 4,000 surveillance cameras that the university already has in place, we are in the process of installing surveillance cameras at all of the parking garages within the university campus.
Please insert your ticket.
These surveillance cameras are intended to capture all vehicle and pedestrian traffic coming and going from the parking garages.
They're a wonderful tool to help in many of the other things that actually go on behind the scenes, provide safety for our faculty, staff, students, and visitors.
55 Union South Garage.
When our staff are informed of a crime in progress, we are able to utilize these cameras to provide real-time information for our responding officers. Additionally, we are piloting the use of license plate recognition systems, or LPR systems. We have, in the past couple of months, deployed license plate readers in both the university district and on campus. The LPR system will notify the local law enforcement when a plate is recognized for such things as stolen plates, stolen vehicles, and open warrants. Security technology is one layer of safety enhancements that the university has taken upon to improve safety and reduce crime on and off campus.
Campus Parks' focus is really on the customer experience, and we rely on many departments across campus to help us with that kind of thing. But we want to make sure that customers' parking expectations are met.
Please pay the amount shown.
They want a safe, efficient, and pleasant parking experience.